Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the packaging and immediate signs. Look at the best before date and any factory seals. Once done, open only if intact. You should note how the chocolate was stored, heat and humidity speed spoilage, so make sure to ask or recall if it sat near sunlight or in a warm car. If the wrapper is swollen, torn, or oily, stop and isolate the bar. These first steps reveal most storage problems before you touch the chocolate itself. Once the wrapper is off, examine the chocolate closely. You want to see uniform color and a glossy surface. If you notice white or gray streaks, that's bloom. It means fat or sugar moved but isn't always unsafe. Press lightly, the chocolate should snap cleanly if solid and fresh. A greasy or tacky feel indicates breakdown. Smell it next. Fresh chocolate has cocoa and vanilla notes, whereas sour, musty, or chemical smells mean spoilage or You now perform a cautious taste test using a tiny piece. Chew slowly to detect flavors and textures. If it tastes stale, sharply bitter, or fizzy, spit it out and stop. Those are signs of spoilage or fermentation. For filled or nutty chocolates, inspect fillings individually because they spoil faster than plain chocolate. If you're uncertain, melt a small portion to see if it separates or smells worse. If problems appear, discard the batch. Troubleshooting tip: when in doubt,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.